Welcome to the installation of Yakima SkyLine Towers with Steel CoreBars for 2010 to 13 Mazda 3 5-door model cars. The Mazda 3s have fixed points on the roof of their cars. They are sometimes hidden by the plastic rain strips that run the length of the roof. This rack will fit most other Mazda 3 models as well. Start by removing the plastic strip with a flathead screwdriver. The strips should just pop off fairly easily. This will reveal the black mounting plates with a threaded hole in the middle. Now refer to the landing pad fit chart to determine which bolts and washers you will need to use. Begin by attaching the rubber gasket to the bottom of the landing pad and placing your bolt and washer through the hole in the middle. Now line up the bolt and landing pad with the mounting point on your roof and screw the landing pad into place. Be sure not to over tighten the bolt. Doing so will prevent the SkyLine Tower from mounting later on. All landing pads come with covers as well when you have your SkyLine Towers removed from your car. This will help prevent wind noise, dirt, and grime buildup. With the landing pads attached, we can move on to the towers. Open the cover by pinching the sides and pulling away from the tower. There's a bolt inside you will need to loosen to release the cover for the bolt underneath the tower. To attach the bracket, first snap the plastic seat into place. Now line up the bracket onto the bolt and tighten it from underneath completely until the provided wrench clicks multiple times. The bolt should thread easily until the end. If there's resistance at first, you may be cross-threading it. Next, slide the tower onto the bar. If there's a lot of resistance when doing this, try loosening the bolt inside the cover to get more slack in the metal bracket. You can now start to attach the towers to the landing pads. Place one end into the landing pad and adjust the other tower to fit into the corresponding landing pad. You'll also want to measure the outer portion of the bar on each side to make sure they are even. With the towers in place, press down on the top and completely tighten the inner bolt until your wrench clicks over multiple times, and close the cover to attach the towers on the landing pad. Shake the tower to make sure it's in place. Insert your end caps onto the end of your bars. If you purchase locks with the rack, install them by removing the plastic plug in the middle of the tower. Place the install key into your lock cylinder. Line up the dimple on the end of the cylinder with the inside of the housing. Insert the core and remove the install key. Then lock the core by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Thanks for watching the installation of Yakima SkyLine Tower with CoreBars onto a Mazda 3 5-door. If you have any further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.